ready?
Yeah.
No cap, no cap. Who on here with?
Nye.
Okay then. Where you from though?
The A.
You from the A?
Yeah.
What part of the A?
Here.
I'm saying like what part of the A though? Cause I'm from Atlanta though. I'm from Atlanta too. I'm from the South Side though.
I'm from the South Side.
Damn, that's crazy. I ain't never run into you before though.
I don't know.
Damn, it's crazy though. But like, what you rate my voice on a scale of 1 through 10?
A 7.
A 7?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. Do you think I'm cute up under this mask?
You might be.
Yeah. I might be.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. Hold on. She talking about some might be. Tell her stop playing me though.
Bitch, I'm him. Quit playing.
Like that for
Yeah, you cute.
I'm cute.
Yeah.
No cap. Tell them like, comment, and subscribe though.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah. What going on? We back with
Zeta.
Ooh, okay.
Olivia.
No cap. Where y'all from though?
North Carolina.
North Carolina.
Pennsylvania.
Damn, you fought with the A more than you fought with North Carolina?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. She knows something. What about you?
Yeah, I fuck with the A more.
Yeah. How long y'all been in the A though?
Since school started, August.
Ooh, okay. What about you?
I've been in Georgia for a little while.
Yeah.
But I've been in Atlanta since school started.
Ooh, okay. So what y'all rate my voice on a scale of 1 through 10?
Your voice?
Yeah.
What you mean?
Rate my voice on a scale of 1 through 10.
I give you a little 7. I like
7?
the accent.
Okay.
Stay off. I can't hear you for
Hold up. Wait a minute.
real.
What you rate my voice on a scale of 1 through 10? I'm gonna take it out for you though.
Okay, like a 7.
A 7? Okay. Do y'all think I'm cute up under this mask? Yes or no?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Can't even say that. I don't know.
You don't know?
No, you gotta take it off.
What about you?
Medium.
Medium?
Yeah.
She said medium, y'all. She out here tripping. What's medium though?
Like a medium cute nigga.
Hold on, y'all. I don't know why she out here playing with me though. Hold on.
Bitch,
Yeah,
I'm him.
here
Quit
tripping,
playing
dude.
around with a boss. What bitch
Okay.
get
She want me.
Okay. What about you?
Okay, yeah. You don't look bad.
She said I don't look bad. Tell her stop playing with the kid. No cap. Y'all stay tuned. No cap. We here with.
Jada.
Ooh, okay. Where you from though?
Morgan County.
Who?
Morgan County.
What is that?
You know what Covington at?
Yeah.
It's about 25 minutes away.
Okay. So what you rate my voice on a scale of 1 through 10?
Giving a little hood nigga, so I say about an 8.
8?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. So do you think I'm cute up under this mask? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You smart.
Okay. Hold on. She said the kid looks good though. Yeah. Till the shop playing. No cap. Till the shop playing.
Wait. Put that 1 behind that 8. 81.
81?
I know that she like me. She wanna one night me. Let's get down to business.
Ooh, okay. Till the shop playing with her. She said 81. Y'all like me?
They all for the fight, caught up in my style. Girls going wild, tryna have my child. I won't let them get these benefits. Try to knock me down, came back wild. Now they all on my bumper, cause they see the kid getting rich. On the bad in 30 seconds, that's how fast we get them gone. Need to free my brothers, ain't no way them folk don't do them wrong.
Y'all boys stay tuned though. We outside. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. Finna go crazy though. We back with
Angela.
How you doing today?
I'm great. I'm chilling.
Okay. What you rate my voice on a scale of 1 through 10?
Rate your voice.
Rate my voice.
Say something else.
Angela.
I'll give it a good 8. Yeah.
8? Okay. You think I'm cute or ugly up under this mask?
I mean, probably cute. Yeah, cute.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on right quick though. Hold on. She know the kid was cute, man. Stop playing with me. Yeah.
Okay, I'll give it to you.
Appreciate you though.
Okay, so give it to you. You got it. You got it with that one.
For sure. Here with.
Kayla.
How you doing today?
Good on you.
Good. I ain't gonna lie, you looking good right now.
Thank you.
What you rate my voice?
Your voice?
Yeah, my voice.
Like a 7?
A 7?
Okay.
Ooh, so do you think I'm cute or ugly up under this mask?
Medium?
Medium.
Because if you need a mask, you can't be that cute.
Huh?
What? Alright.
Oh, okay. You hold on. I'm a little blind right now.
You a little blind right now? You need to open your eyes.
I know you see there's something busting in my eye. The voice still never changed, so yeah, the voice still a 7.
So I'm cute.
Yeah, you alright.
What you rate me on a scale of 1 through 10?
I mean, I like the way you dress, so I'll give you like an 8.5.
8.5. Is that good enough for me to get your number?
My number? I guess.
You guess. I need your number for sure.
Oh, hey, I'm Chantera Renee, known as the girl in the yellow dress.
What? The girl in the yellow dress.
It's green though, so.
Green? Ooh,
Yeah.
okay. So, what do you rate my voice on a scale of 1 through 10?
A 0.
A 0?
Yeah.
Why a 0?
I have no idea.
You have no idea? So, do you think I'm cute or ugly up under this mask?
You're funny looking.
Man, you stupid bitch. Hey, you lucky I don't want to speak on that.
I'm funny looking?
Yeah. It's right through here.
Hold on, let me turn around for you though, cause she talking about the kid funny looking though.
Yeah, I mean, it's right up in here. You look funny looking.
I'm still funny looking. I'm still funny looking. Why she playing me, y'all?
First of all, bitch, you got me fucked up.
Why she playing with me though? Why she playing with me? She out here playing with me. Why you playing with me?
Oh my goodness!
Why you playing with me?
Oh, she laughing at you, bro.
Why she playing with me though? Hey, come here. Hey.
You better post it. Where's this gonna go? Because I'm gonna have to.
On YouTube. What's
your channel?
Elias ATL. Hey.
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
You said what? You said what?
Saying you are handsome.
You're one of those.
Hey.
Y'all have a good one, okay?
Oh, you too. Relax, mama. Damn. Hey, I don't even know why she just played. I bet I can show you a couple things though. I don't know why she was playing with the kid though. She the little cougar take it down, huh? Y'all boys stay tuned though. No cap. Yeah. No cap. We back with.
Candy, Asia,
Where y'all from?
LA,
LA. Ooh.
Chicago.
Y'all fuck with. You fuck with LA more than you fuck with Atlanta?
Mm-hmm.
Nope.
Damn. That's crazy. And you in Atlanta? What about you?
Yeah.
You fuck with Atlanta?
Oh no, I fuck with Chicago more than Atlanta.
How you fuck with Chicago more?
Because everybody out here fake.
Hey.
Niggas be feisty.
So you real?
Yeah.
You're real?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. So, what do y'all rate my voice on a scale of 1 through 10?
Rate your voice.
Rate my voice.
It's cute.
I mean, it's regular.
It's regular. What you rate on a scale of 1 through 10?
Go ahead. What you rate?
Like a 6.
A 6.
Yeah, 6.
Yeah, I'll give you a 6.
You gonna go with a 6 because you just said it was cute though. You confusing me though.
I'll give it a 6.
A 6. So do y'all think I'm cute or ugly up under this mask?
I think you like mid. Like in the middle.
Mid?
Yeah.
Who?
What about you?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Can we see?
Hold on real quick. Hold on. I don't know why they playing with me like a nigga just ugly or something though.
Bitch, I'm him, quit playing. Tryna ride with a boss, what bitch get it?
She want me. She want me.
We back with?
Samaya.
Ooh, no cap. Where you from?
Jersey.
Jersey. You fuck with Jersey more than you fuck with A?
I fuck with Atlanta. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay. She knows some. But what you rate my voice on the scale 1 through 10?
Like a 7.
A 7? Yeah. So, do you think I'm cute or ugly up under this mask?
I don't know. You probably decent.
Decent. Okay. Hold on right quick. Hold on. Your answer change?
You not ugly.
Okay. Appreciate it. No cap. No cap, we back with
Sam, Imani.
Where you from?
We from Jersey.
Y'all both from Jersey?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. But do y'all fuck with the A more than y'all fuck with Jersey?
No.
No. Y'all must ain't had the right experience though.
No, we had a good experience. I like living here better, but experience-wise, like with like parties and people, I like home better. If we could mix the two, that would be lit. We've been here like 3 years.
3 years?
Yeah.
I think y'all been outside with the wrong people though. That's why y'all ain't had a good time in the A.
Maybe.
So what y'all rate my voice on a scale of 1 through 10?
I like people with raspy voices, so I'll give your voice an 8.
8? What about you?
I say 8.5.
8.5. So do y'all think I'm cute or ugly up on this mask?
I don't know. You gotta take it off.
What about you?
What's your hair?
I think you decent, but I don't know.
You think I'm decent?
Yeah. I think you okay.
You think I'm okay?
Yeah.
They talking about the kid decent or okay. Hold on.
Bitch, I'm him, quit playing.
Tell us stop.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah, they talking about they sorry. Talking about decent.
I'm sorry.
Stop playing like you don't know
My
who I
bad,
am, though.
I'm
Like, I
sorry.
don't- Hey, tell them like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
No cap. Yeah.
All of my niggas did the time. All of my niggas, they ain't right. Glock with a stick, yeah, whole 50 round. Half of these niggas be plotting. Half of these niggas ain't right. Yeah, I just seen homicide. Fish my water, no tie. Ice on my wrist, you know, perfect time, yeah.